Hello everyone! Welcome back to Have Fun with Shapes with Susan! Now today we're gonna make a boy. What is a little boy made of? Let's take a look. Look, we have a big peach color circle, some brown semicircles, and more parts. Let's get started. First, let's make the head. Big, round, peach colored face. Now boy, look at me. Let's put 2 eyes here. Hi! And 1 semicircle as your ear. The other ear. You look so cute. What? You want some hair? No problem. 1 brown semicircle. 2 brown semicircles. What? You don't think you're handsome? Don't worry, I'm gonna give you more bands. Wow, you're so handsome. Hello, boy. Ha! This is our little boy. Boy. Do you think he looks very cool? Are you a boy or a girl? I don't know, but I believe you must have made a very good boy. Bye.